Hola, buenas tardes. Es muy bien estar aquí con ustedes. Oh, no español, es inglés. Good afternoon, everybody. My name is Luciano Boto. I have 30 years experience in working with process automation, most of them in R&D and marketing department. So instead of showing the products or what we are doing, I believe I had more time, but I have just a few minutes to talk. So I use those minutes to do two announcements about what we are doing to promote OPAS and OPAF. Nova Smar was founded in 1974, so we are almost half century now. We are based in Brazil, and we have business in more than 55 countries from all the continents. Smar develops pressure, temperature, and density transmitters and controllers with different available technologies such as HART, foundation field bus, Profibus, and HART wireless. Our system, the system 202, was designed more than 2 decades ago. So, the first announcement we have from our company for our system 302 and taking advantage of this important event, the ARC, I want to start and announce that Nova Smar and Seaplane.ai joined forces and integrate Seaplane Fusion orchestration platform to our system 302. It will be available for version 9 of our system. So we believe it's going to be the first system with the orchestration in. The second announcement, we believe it's going to be a very powerful strategy, not only for our company, Smar, but for the whole OPAF members. Since mid-2022, Nova Smar is preparing the largest marketing program in the Smar history to promote this new technology to the world. And ARC Europe here is an excellent opportunity to launch this marketing program. We proudly to present the roadshow entitled OPAS, the Standard of Standards and Industry 4.0. Our main goal is to travel the world promoting and demonstrating OPAS, and thus we will be extending the use of the technology. Well, during these roadshow events, we offer the opportunity for users to try and experience the technology by creating their OPAS configuration and testing it online. This marketing program is scheduled for 50 events around the world in a period of 2 years, 24 months. We have here the schedule for the events this year. It's going to start in June. We developed a portable kit for users to practice during these events. These kits contain 2 DCNs, 1 gateway, 302, a pressure transmitter, a temperature transmitter, and also a FEI converter, 8 digital inputs and 8 digital outputs. These users, they will be able to configure the application through our OPAS configurator, the Open Content Strategy Builder, accessing any glass via web, uploading their strategy to the roadshow kit and then testing. Our kit is just behind us. I'll show you in the next slide. This is the last slide. This is one of the kits that will travel around the world, spreading OPA standard. And I would like to invite you all to visit us at OPAF, or look behind. Just behind you can see the kit. To OPAF booth, where my colleague Victor Haffeld is demonstrating this demonstration kit. Victor is a member of our R&D department, and he is at the forefront of projects involving OPAS. So I'd like to thank Mohan for the invitation, everyone involved, as well as the ARC organization. I want to tell you that we at Nova Smar, we are very enthusiastic about what's the OPAS technology. And we appreciate the opportunity of to share innovation, technology, and knowledge with all the automation community. Thank you. Gracias. Well, can I use more like 15 seconds, 30? Can I warm up this wonderful audience here for not just for the claps? Do you think this is good news for OPAF and OPA standard? Yes or yes? Oh, say it louder. Yes or yes? Yeah, sure. Okay, thank you very much indeed. Repeat with me. OPAS. OPAS. World show. Yeah, okay, thank you.
Hey guys, now that you're all awake, thank you, Luciano.